Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another Screencasts Online tip video. Following on from our initial look at macOS Sequoia and iOS 18, in this tip video I wanted to take a deeper dive into one of the most useful new features, and that's iPhone mirroring. iPhone mirroring allows you to display and interact with your iPhone on your Mac, with full support for your Mac keyboard and pointing device, as well as copy and pasting and even drag and drop. The requirements for iPhone mirroring are quite extensive and are documented on this Apple support page. So basically your computer must be a Mac with Apple Silicon or an Intel device with an Apple II security chip. You need to use macOS Sequoia 15 or later and iPhone iOS 18 or later. Use the same Apple account and use two-factor authentication with both your iPhone and Mac having Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on. Your phone needs to be locked and near your Mac, and interestingly, it can also be using standby, so you can actually have your phone on a charging device, rotated into landscape mode and use the standby mode so you can see the clock, etc., and still access it as an iPhone mirror session. Also, your Mac isn't sharing its internet connection or using AirPlay or Sidecar. And it also means that if you have an Apple Vision Pro and you're using your Apple Vision Pro to connect to your Mac for screen sharing, iPhone mirroring won't work because they use the same technologies. Now, if you do have all these requirements fulfilled, but you're still having problems, again, if you go to this support page, there's some good instructions on troubleshooting your connection. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.